Good morning, everyone. Welcome to Pre-Market News and Views by In the Money Stocks. Today is Wednesday, June 5th, 2019. My name is Nick Santiago. Thank you all for tuning in this morning. Today we have the S&P 500 E-mini futures trading higher by 7.5 points at 28.12.5 per contract. Markets actually were higher this morning. You could see right here, basically putting in a little bit of a high around 7 o'clock in the morning. That was on the big rally yesterday. Markets continued to move higher. Then around 8:15 today, we did have ADP job report out, and it just said that we expanded by 27,000 jobs. So a little bit of a disappointment. Markets came back in a little bit, but we had a monster rally yesterday. I just call it a relief rally from a very, very oversold condition. You did have the Federal Reserve talking heads come out and say, hey, they are willing to support the markets. So that really helped things out yesterday, and we'll see where we go. Today, again, after a big update, we look for a little bit of a more subdued session, so we'll see if that is the case. But in the meantime, we have lots of stocks in the news, so let's get started here. Salesforce.com is first. CRM is the ticker symbol here. Stock right now trading at $155.50. It closed at $150.81. So good pop for Salesforce today. Again, there should be very good resistance around 161 if we get there. I don't know if that will happen. Any pierce of 161, I would immediately trail the stop loss and potentially could even be a fade candidate, but we'll look at it in the intraday stock chat room once the opening bell rings. Let's take a look at Campbell Soup. CPB is the ticker symbol there. That stock's getting a nice little pop. Closed at $38.11, now trading at $39.50. Briefly got over $40 here in the pre-market. We'll see how it plays out today. When I look at this stock around $41, it is a short fade candidate intraday, so keep that on the radar. Next up, we want to take a look at PVTL. That stock right now trading at $13.20, closed at $18.54. Ouch. This is a major haircut. I don't even see a level to get in. The stock's only been public since May 2018. This is a new all-time low. Leave it alone. Let it play itself out. There's no reason to get in front of this one. Next up, let's take a look at another disaster here. GameStop, GME. Stock closed at $5.53. Closed at $7.82. This is ugly by every metric. Again, I don't see anything to do in GameStop. There's nothing I would do here. Maybe the stock has double bottom support going back to 2003, around $3.75. There may be a level there, but honestly, I'm not touching it with a 10-foot pole. Next up, we want to take a look at G3. GIII is the ticker symbol here. Stock is trading at $26.50, closed at $27.05, so a little downtick there. I think there's still a fair amount of support around $24. If it gets there, nothing I would do with it at the moment. Let's take a look at AEO, which is American Eagle Outfitters. Stock is trading at $19.50. Closed at $18.52. So this is a good little pop there. I don't know if there's going to be a whole lot of upside here. But what I would say, if it does rally, I will have levels to fade it. Next up, we want to take a look at HQY. Stock right now is trading at $68 a share. Closed at $65.46. Nice pop there. Give it the upside bias at the moment. We'll look at it once the opening bell rings. The only level I could come up with that really looked like solid resistance was around $73.80. If it gets there, potential fade opportunity. Next up, want to take a look at Roku. This is on an upgrade today. Roku trading at $97.15. Looks like this stock wants to go to $100, I would think. But it's been one of the strongest names in the marketplace. So when you look at a daily chart of Roku, it's been extremely strong. Closed yesterday at $93.60. Today trading at $97.20. Getting an upgrade today. Who would upgrade the stock at all-time highs? I'm not so sure. But either way, Roku very strong today. And we'll look at it once the opening bell rings. I do think it's getting to overbought conditions, but it still might have a little bit more in the tank. Next up, I want to take a look at Kronos. Kronos Group, CRON, is a cannabis play. This is being upgraded today by Bank of America Merrill Lynch. Nice little pop there. We'll see where it goes. No levels yet, but I will be watching this one once the opening bell rings. We will keep this on the radar. Next up, let's switch gears here a little bit. Let's go over to the gold market. Gold trading higher by $15.20 to $1,343 an ounce. Gold broke out the other day, and it's still showing powerhouse strength right now. Stock right now is trading at, GLD I should say, trading at 126.41, closed at 125.18. Gold is on breakout. Next up, want to take a look at crude oil. Crude oil down about 80 cents today to $52.68 a barrel. There's really nothing I would do with crude at the moment. Crude looks like it's in some trouble. Stock right, the USO I should say, which is the ETF to trade crude, very good ETF to track the movement. That's trading at $10.96, closed at 11.16, and again, spot crude today, 52.68 a barrel. So there you have it. Again, if you have not done so, come on over. Take that 7-day free trial to the intraday stock chat room. We got lots of moving parts out here. We're having a great 2019. We're going to look to keep that going into the end of the year. With that being said, everybody, I want to wish you all a great session, and we'll see you a little bit later on the charts.